How to convert portrait video to landscape in Capcut. So if you want to convert portrait video to landscape in Capcut, then first you need to open up your Capcut application. Once you open your Capcut, go to the edit, which is on the bottom left, and simply select a project that you would like to convert from portrait to landscape. So for example, I'll be choosing a video. You can go for the existing project or you can simply select the new project. Once you've selected, tap on add, which is on the bottom right, and add that to your project. And now what you need to do is you need to simply select that video. So once you've imported the video, what you need to do is simply swipe right, and here you will have aspect ratio option, right? Tap on the aspect ratio and then you need to choose the ratio 16:9. Once you've choose that, now you can simply use both of your fingers to resize your video. And if you want to remove the black video from both left and right side, then what you need to do is you need to simply go for the background option, which is on the bottom right. Tap on the blur and then choose the extreme blur and tap on the tick, which is on the bottom right. And now if you open up the video or if you play the video, your video has been converted to landscape. So that's how you can convert portrait video to a landscape. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.